Compare paradigms. Comparison 4. Chaos theory and Lorenz attractor. Traditional mathematics. In traditional/classical mathematics, chaos theory describes systems exhibiting highly sensitive dependence on initial conditions, often popularized as the butterfly effect. Even infinitesimally small changes in the starting state can lead to vastly different outcomes over time, making long-term prediction practically impossible, despite the system being entirely deterministic. The Lorenz attractor is a classic example, arising from a simplified mathematical model for atmospheric convection. It's a set of three coupled ordinary differential equations, dx/dt equals sigma, y, x, dy/dt equals x rho, z, y dz/dt equals xy, beta z, where sigma, rho, and beta are positive parameters. Key characteristics. Deterministic non-periodicity. The system's future is fully determined by its current state, yet its behavior never exactly repeats. Sensitive dependence. Trajectories starting arbitrarily close together diverge exponentially. Fractal structure. The attractor itself has a complex, self-similar structure at different scales, often described as a strange attractor. It's not a simple point, limit cycle, or torus, but a fractal set in phase space. Boundedness. Despite the chaos, the system states remain within a finite region of phase space. Applications. Chaos theory finds applications in diverse fields, including weather forecasting, fluid dynamics, ecology, economics, and even brain activity, providing insights into complex, nonlinear phenomena. Limitations. The inherent unpredictability beyond a certain time horizon, the Lyapunov of time, is a fundamental limitation, requiring probabilistic approaches for long-term understanding. Formula for zero mathematics. From the perspective of formula for zero, F0Z, mathematics, chaos theory and the Lorenz attractor are recontextualized not merely as properties of numerical systems, but as emergent behaviors arising from the dynamic interplay and contextualization of fundamental zero states. The zero in F0Z, zero is not merely the absence of quantity, but a fundamental, context-aware entity, a point of potential, a boundary of definition, a node of collapse and emergence. It represents the foundational state from which all other states are contextualized and upon which they depend. Recontextualizing chaos. Sensitive dependence on contextualized zeros. Instead of sensitive dependence on initial conditions, F0Z posits sensitive dependence on the contextualization of foundational zero states. The initial numerical values of the Lorenz system's variables, x, y, z, are seen as specific contextualizations of underlying zeros. A minute change in an initial condition implies a subtle shift in the foundational zero context, which, through the F0Z framework, can recursively recontextualize the entire system's zero network, leading to divergent outcomes. The Lorenz attractor as a zero-contextual equilibrium. The attractor itself is not just a geometric shape, but a dynamically stable, yet constantly reevaluating, network of zero states. The system's parameters, sigma, rho, beta, are interpreted as zero contextualizers that define the permissible transformations and boundaries within this zero network. The fractal nature of the attractor arises from the recursive self-similarity of zero contextualization processes at different scales of emergence. Stability and dynamism. Stability in F0Z is not absolute, but contextual stability. A system is stable when its internal zero states maintain a coherent, self-reinforcing context. Chaos emerges when these zero contexts become highly sensitive to internal or external zero perturbations, leading to rapid and unpredictable recontextualization. The system's flow is a continuous process of zero-state reevaluation, collapse, and reinstantiation, driven by the F0Z principles governing potential and actualization. Context awareness. F0Z emphasizes that the context of a zero is paramount. The Lorenz system's behavior is not just a function of its numerical state, but of the contextual relationships between its constituent zero states. Understanding these relationships and how they propagate is key to comprehending the system's emergent chaos. Predictability. F0Z might shift the focus from predicting exact trajectories to predicting regimes of contextual stability or instability, or the probabilities of specific zero-state recontextualizations. It offers a metamathematical framework to quantify the degree of contextual sensitivity of a system's zero states, potentially providing deeper insight into why chaos emerges and how it might be influenced by manipulating these foundational zero contexts. AI synthesis. The comparison between traditional mathematics and F0Z mathematics regarding chaos theory and the Lorenz attractor reveals both common ground and profound differences. Key differences. Traditional focuses on deterministic equations, phase space trajectories, geometric properties of attractors, and sensitivity to numerical initial conditions. Chaos is an inherent property of nonlinear systems. F0Z reframes chaos as an emergent property of dynamic, context-aware zero states. It emphasizes the recontextualization of foundational zeros and their sensitive dependence on contextual shifts, rather than just numerical perturbations. The attractor is a zero-contextual equilibrium. Similarities. Both paradigms acknowledge the phenomenon of sensitive dependence, the emergence of complex, non-periodic behavior, and the boundedness of such systems within a defined space. Both aim to understand the underlying dynamics of complex systems. Primary advantages of the F0Z approach. Deeper causality. F0Z offers a potential framework for understanding the root causes of chaos beyond mere mathematical description, linking it to the fundamental dynamics of zero-contextualization. Contextual modeling. It provides a unique lens to model and understand systems where context is not just an external factor, but an intrinsic, dynamic component of the system's behavior, which is crucial for many real-world complex systems. Potential for control/modulation. By understanding how chaos arises from the recontextualization of zero states, F0Z might offer novel avenues for influencing or tuning chaotic systems by manipulating their underlying zero contexts, rather than just their numerical states. Bridging determinism and emergence. F0Z could bridge the gap between purely deterministic chaos and the more abstract concept of emergent complexity, providing a more unified theoretical framework for understanding dynamic systems. Simulation. Chaos theory and Lorenz attractor. Controls. Stop. Reset. View mode. Lorenz parameters. Sigma, 11.50. Rho, 35.70. Beta, 3.54. Lorenz attractor, XE plane. Future updates will include runnable code snippets and interactive data visualizations.